And today I will actually share how you can cleanse your lungs. Actually, a lot of people out there actually have issue with this respiratory disorder. Those who have issue with asthma, those who have issue with your cold in your chest. Sometimes have you ever visited the hospital when you do a test? You see that you have a deficiencies of oxygen that go into your lung. So this is why most of them will discover that it helped me because I was in the victim stating when I have issue with my lungs. I actually have a big challenge. To be honest with you, it's very severe to me. It make me actually it make me comfortable then and able to help me that I try my best, going to natures because nature is one of the best things that can make you to get faster results. When you take nature is whereby it help you to recover from inside and you think you never recall. And this is my story, how I started journey. Actually, I am a sailor. I was, working in the sea, navigating through vessels, but actually two of the seas deviating to my chest, and it become a big challenge to me. When I came back from when I finished the project, when I come down, and it became a very severe challenge to me because I could not, you know, expose myself to the water outside again because of the cold, and cold become into my chest and it become so affecting to the extent I cannot visit the bank. If there is AC, I cannot survive in that place because before I go to the bank, I would like to wear out to tear shirt because so that the cold will not penetrate. Even if I'm in the night, I would like to carry something on my chest, like blanket, or I will take a cloth to cover my chest before going to the bed before I will sleep. So so gradually, actually, I was proceeded, and a friend of mine in US who's a doctor. He said, "This Samuel, this I told that this challenge I passed through actually recommend something for me, and this thing I would like to recommend. I believe a lot of people are there pass through this same challenge which I have passed through, and it become a piece of a past. And what I'm trying to point to you that there is nothing when as long as you can open up your mouth and say this is what we are passing through. There are people out there know the challenge we are passing through. They will help you to solve it, and they will help you to give you solution to it, and therefore you overcome it. And since then, become even though I'm into health, sometimes I even like to yeah, praise your knowledge, your limit of your knowledge will reach, and other people have more experience that have that challenge that are able to overcome it. That's why sometimes you need to expose yourself out and you tell your friends and they will help you. This how they just help me with how I overcome it. Today I'm free from cold. Even they say I was finding myself to before. I was very soon before according to some experts that would before after this stage I found myself by then. After that stage, I would become asthma patient, but to God be the glory, and I able to recover from inside with just a little, just natural thing, a very small and very affordable. And that's how I overcome it. And actually, they sent me from Russia, no, from China. They told me that I can get it from China. Actually, when I do research, I meet the pharmacists. They are able to get. Yeah, in fact, I visit the company, and they're able to sort it for me. That's how I overcome it. Thank you so much. So today I will tell you about that how you overcome your issue, your cold, your chest, deficiency of CO2 that come into your lungs, and also how you like people have issue with respiratory disorders because sometimes when there is a bacteria into your lungs that you have difficulty. So sometimes because you know that what does that when you are breathing, the air flowing from your lungs, from as you breathe the air in, it will flow go directly to the lung. The lung will direct the air directly moving from your lung directly to your bro from your bloodstream. You will transfer it directly back again. This how it will the oxygen and your blood will circulate around your body. So when if you see that if your oxygen is low, that will have issue with your breathing. You do that, you will see that you will see that your breath about to stop because the oxygen that's which supposed to go into your lungs and circulate through the blood are very low. So for me to you that what I will recommend to you, this what I will say. You see this particular product you see now. we call it a lung herbal lung clearance. It's very good. Wherever you can get it, please try and suffer for it. It will help you. To be honest with you, let me make it so you can see clearly. And this one is produced from some some mode. There are company that produce some mode, and it's very good because if you are the type of people that have issue with lump, you have issue with breathing, or if you're an asthma patient, for me, so I would recommend it for you. It can help you, but remember, it's not a drug. It's an herbal. It's an herbal. It's not a drug. It's a herbal, and it can help you. To be honest with you, there's nothing, because I believe in life, everything in my life. I believe consistency trying. When you continue to try, that's how you will see improvement in your way. Do not keep yourself silent. That's why I would encourage people, if you impact in your head, it will help you go a long way. So you can see this. I can actually 100% recommend it for you. It is very good and very effective for your breathing. So when you have issue with cold, sometimes you have cold in your chest, because if you too much of cold gather in your chest, also we will deficiency have issue with breathing. So the best thing that you can recommend is this period, even in period of COVID-19, people use this a lot to prevent COVID-19, because of your breath and office bacteria, so that when it will not affect your lungs. So it's very good, and you can take a look. See the first one I use. I'm finished. This inside look like. It's only two. I just use only one bottle, and literally I use. That's how I overcome it. So sometimes, but most of the time, your immune system also matter a lot. If you have a good immune system, and little things you use, you quickly get a faster result. But if your immune system is compromised, and you may take time for you to recover faster from inside. So if you are having issue with your breathing or respiratory disorders, we have issue with, if you are an asthma patient, or you have hypertension, you have anyone in your family, your friends that have issue with this asthma, please, I will recommend it for you. It's very good, and very effective. It's very effective. To be honest with you, don't play with it. It's very effective. Even you can see the design the lump inside. You can take a look at it. You can notice, you can see it clearly, because for me now, see now, this is how your lumps. So the air supposed to flow. You can see now, air supposed to flow into your lumps, circulate around again, move down to the blood. So for me to you need to impact in your head, invest in your head. It's very important for you. So guys, I will say thank you so much. Maybe paravention you come and see this video more with the other. Please, you can share it to someone. That by sharing the video, you have saved a life already. Automatically, I must be honest with you. When you share it to someone, you have saved a life. And by sharing it, by someone seeing it, and you better have an asthma or have a respiratory disorder, you have a cold in chest, have difficult in breathing. With this, it can help you overcome it. Simple as ABC, because you have saved it before, because you share it to the person. Thank you so much. I remain blessed.